this thing don't cut. I go see whether she go fit help me put them together, sha. No, no. So we won't put this thing. Bros don't wake up. Bros don't wake up. Make I start again. I be dey show this thing. This thing where I dey use for my pimples. This one na like shampoo. As my baby dey my hand, so I no go fit. But no guy dey be. This one na like shampoo. You all take and wash your face. Now when I never born, I take try this thing. So pimples be all do me one kind wicked pimples like that, big, like spoil my face sef. Now I can't go chemist. They can't go carry am, give me, say make I use them. And like shampoo, we all use and wash your face. After you don't wash your face finish. After you don't wash your face finish with this, you will come take this one, drop am for the face of the pimples, for the mouth of the pimples. So, Effa Clear, na dem call am. So you take this particular one na for chemist, now you go see and buy. This one you fit see am for where they buy, where they sell makeup. This one you fit see am for where they sell makeup, or even chemist you go still see am, because the first time na for chemist now I take buy am, but this one na for chemist now you must see am. So I can't buy am that time. I can't try and it didn't work for me like magic. It clear my face. So after I don't use them, the pimples can't go. I no come through they use them again. I know after I don't use them, come other wicked pimples wey be all spoil my face. Normally I dey get pimples, but nobody way take day that time. I know they too they worry, because now all those small I know they too they put my mind. It just come, it go just go by himself. So but that one will be your come that time. I can't even be ashamed to come out self. So I can't get to go chemist. Now they can't go carry this thing, give me. These two things, so it just work for me well. After I can't use and where that pimples take go, I no can't even reason the matter again. Since the pimples no can't come like that again. So I can't just forget the matter. No can't buy them again. But when I can't get belle, I know all those changing of this thing with person get belle, now my face can't dark. My face can't your day somehow, but I can't think say maybe if I don't born, the thing go clear. People say it go clear. I just still live on. We will day abroad here now. I know nobody to even tell you what to do. Your first speaking, so now so it can take day. So as I born, my face all dark somehow. So I can't you live on like that. You buy normal cream, you they use. And they watch and you see no they clear. You see, you know green come out. My face just day one kind. The thing don't too day now, but then I come just come on my mind. Say, so I say I just use cream. I don't even put my mind. They have to I don't even get where they go. I dey inside house, and so my life will be waiting concern. Now when I dey walk, now I go say person need to look good come out now. But I just dey inside house. If I want buy something, now when my husband come by, go outside help me go buy. I just dey inside house, so I don't come even reason the matter. So I just come on my mind. But now my husband can't even make my mind can't even really they go there. Say this your face, just get the way take day. Go chemist, go tell them if you go get what they go give you. I can't really reason. I can't say no be lie. I can't go chemist. As I go chemist, go explain to them. Say no be like this my face they be. As I get belle, now my face you all dark. But as I born, I think say the thing go clear. See now the thing no green clear. I can't surprise say now this same thing what I use for pimples. Now they still carry give me. They say make I come apply am if in the morning, if I wake, may I take and rub my face. If I don't use and rub my face, may I leave am for like 2-3 minutes. Then I go wash and come out. If I get any face cream, make I rub or any oil. Now then they say I no get face cream. Now they show me plenty like that. They come show me this face cream. But then they come cost how much I even take by myself, 18 euro. They say if I go fit buy them, it costs, but if I go fit buy them, but I say I go enjoy them. Now I say, my husband don't even to the complain for this face. Now your clothes, I carry the face cream join. Now I can't apply them. My people, I use this thing only 2-3 days. Now my face stay clear. But what I can't notice for this cream, but it good though. But for person where they find a face cream wey go work for am, e good. But to me na e be like say the thing come dey too harsh for me. But for this one, person, if you know say you get pimples, you fit buy this one and this one. You fit still try this one if you want. You let me show now. We'll show now later. My bros don't carry. So wetin I can't notice for this face cream now be say e be like say e too dey active for me. When I look my face well now, I will see some places be like say e too white. Some places like this. So I can't go the chemist now. I can't go show them. They say the face cream is good, it dey okay. But make I know they use them often and often. Say na better cream, I make them show me say make I buy them due to how our skin be. Say na better cream wey good for every skin. Say nothing they do my face now. Just say the cream too dey active for me. It too dey hot for me. But make I know they use them often and often. Make I they use them once in a while. Maybe in the night if I want sleep, I go apply. Or in the morning, but make I know they use them 2 times a day. That like the way I tell them, say I take the use them. So the thing just dey okay. So I just say make I show now this one so for face. If you know say you need something to apply for your face, this thing what I show now, so it dey very very okay. So then I come see say me I just still discuss with my people where wetin happen to me last week. I just say inside last week for my pikin. So my bros don wake. Get wetin I be wan do. I be wan do this my eyelash, but as he don't wake, so wetin they call a eyebrow. But as he don't wake, so I'm not sure say it go possible. So say go like that, make I run down. Just day inside last week, my baby mouth come your day dry. And before they need get kata and cough. Just a cough. Kata just a drop for a nose. Seriously. You see, the drying of the mouth, it come too much now. Just say now, my husband say, the mouth don't too dry. Wetin go make small pikin mouth come be like this. I will carry and go chemist. Now I say no be chemist matter now. Hospital now I go carry and go. Say no be lie. Now I take ready last week Tuesday. I carry my baby go hospital. So I reach hospital. They do me. They say they need to do test for her. They run test for her. After they run test for her, now they come say me too. I need to do the test for the okoro this thing. Wait they on board. As you do and finish, now they say me and my baby we get them. Okay, now wetin we go do now? They say. They need to transfer us go the big hospital. Say for there now they no get space where they won't keep us. They need to keep us for where they go feed they control my pikin until we don't do okay before we go they go as. Okay, now what you want to do now? Say no, you no get what you want to do. Now for us to just wait. Now the embarrassment where they but I don't need to hear reason I'm sure. And so they carry that way they fleet, they follow me for back. These people that don't tire. So they carry me and my baby go put for one room. Come arrange the document, then come call emergency ambulance for us. They come carry us go the big hospital. As we reach there, now ask them say, wetin dey happen? They say nothing dey happen. Say test wey dem do for una for that side. It shows say una get this thing. You and your baby get this thing. But wetin dey be say, the test where they do for una there. Now all those tests where they ready in 5 minutes. But the one where they won't run for una for year. Now till tomorrow night go ready. Now that one go really prove if una get her or not. Say we need to stay here. That then say I don't carry anything. I just come off for house in the morning, carry my baby, say me I come hospital. I don't carry anything, no food, no bag. I just carry just 2 Pampers put for inside handbag in case he piss. I go change them. They say no problem. Anything I want, they go give me for. They say we need today, maybe 3 or 4 days. I say Jesus. I saw they take lock me and my pikin for hospital. Okay, now that's what we take deal. They come every time they will come they check. Every time they will come they check. Nothing they do my pikin apart from the mouth where it dry with cough and kata. Nothing they do. Body no they hot. Me say my body no they hot. Nothing they do me. Nothing they do my baby. But then as they do and check up, they know they give them anything. They don't give them any medicine, even for the kata. Say they tell them say he get waiting they fit give them. They say no get waiting they fit give them. They do them test all the old tests. They say nothing show, nothing they do them. Okay, why una come keep me for a year? The test where they say they do, the next day I still dey ask dem for the test. They say never ready, never ready. If you don ready, dem go let me know. Never ready. We dey there that day, the night, the next day, the second day. Come dey ask where the result. You never still ready. They say never ready, never ready. Na so we take dey there Tuesday. I go there on Tuesday morning. Na so we take dey for hospital Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. They no gree give me result. They no gree show me any result. They no gree tell me anything. If I tell them say wait, where the result? They will say never ready. Okay, now medicine dey una give the pikin. They say nothing dey do am. They no fit give am any medicine. Okay now, but dem keep me there Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Na Friday afternoon, after they don run test for am 2 times, na they come say e be like say we go house Friday evening, but they never know the test wey dem come draw blood for im body Friday morning. They say if that test don ready, if the result don ready, na dem go know if we go house that in the evening. Say make I just dey pray say better result come. I say normally nothing dey do am. They just keep me here to dey check am because of the cough and catarrh. Now say we really get the ogoro this thing. They say man, I no worry for that one. Say why dem talk say we get am for that side na because of say my baby dey cough and he get catarrh, strong cough and catarrh. Say na him make am. I say wetin come make him mouth dey dry like this? They say na because of the weather. He get small fever and he no dey drink enough water the way he suppose dey drink. Na him make him mouth be like that. Say normally as sun hot like this, he suppose dey drink enough water. So okay now, I dey wait for the result then. As we dey wait, that in the afternoon, they come call me. Say make I ready, we go dey go house. Say the result don come out, nothing dey do am. He dey okay. Say my baby dey okay. Glory be to God. Now so I take carry myself dey come house Friday. So e be like say the way the thing take dey now, e be like say for person to go hospital now, e dey somehow because I no know, sha, but no be say even though say person go hospital say they say you get am, no be wetin person go dey fear. Na before na the thing be dey scary like that. No be now. Even when they tell me say you and your pikin get am, my happiness be say my baby just dey okay. Apart from the cough, when e dey cough that time, before I come even carry am go hospital, I don go chemist, dem give me medicine and they give am. The thing don even dey come down, the cough don dey come down. So no be even because of the cough and catarrh make me carry am go hospital. Na because of the mouth wey come too dry. I come dey look and say why small pikin mouth go just dey dry like thing come just dey open. I come dey fear say wetin happen. Na make me say make I carry am go hospital. As I reach there, go dey tell me another thing, but glory be to God, it's over. I don dey my house. Don dey my house oo. So na so the thing be just take dey. That I dey wan put something for. Which kind? Don't need to change this net too. Like you just open window, make breeze enter. Like go come dey enter instead of breeze. Ma put this tiny earring for here. Danny, you too dey sweat. Now make me wear you this kind cloth. Make breeze touch you small. You no get where we dey go. We dey inside house. Okay. So my people, abeg, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, help me touch the subscribe button, abeg. So if I drop anything here, and I go get the alert, pakam, so now come check am. Thanks for supporting me. God bless. Bye. Before I forget, I be say I wan show una this thing before my pikin kidnap am. Na see am, na the face cream be this. I'm not sure like this, so that I will see the name well. It show like this, pass. And the weight I'll give you. Okay? I'm be this. See the name. The thing they work. It good for body well. The face cream good well. This one na first time where I don't use face cream where I can't really like. Since when I come Italy, I don't buy 4 different type of face cream. I know really they get time for face cream before. I know they get time for face cream. But as I don't, they say, if you need to get things, okay, now I follow try. I buy 4 different types. You know they're good for me. Now can you all forget the matter? But this particular one, it's good. So if you be person way they find something to try this one, you go like them. Thanks for checking out my channel. Help me touch the subscription button, I beg. We'll be stay at home, but we'll just find way to take support body. So Help your sister, your friend, your neighbor. May God bless you. Bye. See you on my next video.